If you're doing things right at the gym, then you should see a gradual increase in the total weight on a barbell or dumbbell. And this increased weight will take its toll on your hands and wrists. The only way to avoid problems is to invest in a good pair of gloves for working out. But unfortunately, there are too many of them that won't stand up to heavy weights. There are many products available to choose weightlifting gloves, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best weightlifting gloves from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Scott Evo 2 Weightlifting Gloves. The majority of clients agreed that these Scott Evo are the best weightlifting gloves, as they may provide the best hand protection and wrist support. The wrist wraps seem to give us all a good bit more confidence even when powerlifting larger loads. The Evo 2 series by Scott is designed to help both professional and novice weightlifters achieve the best possible result, and special attention was given to the assembly to ensure the best possible durability and comfort. All Scott Fitness International products represent years of continuous engineering, refinement and technological evolution. We proudly design and produce exclusive fitness clothing and training accessories. Positive side of this product. The half-finger gloves may reduce sweating. Includes silicate gel palm pads for less risk of slipping. People like the wide wrist strap for added injury protection. The sizing guide is easy to follow and get the right fit. Negative side of this product. You may need to wash them regularly to avoid smells. Number 2. Samari Workout Gloves Men's and Women. These gloves best suit athletes who tend to sweat a lot. First of all, they have a mesh fiber on the back that should help you get more ventilation onto your skin. Secondly, the thumb section's cloth may help wipe away sweat, rather than just push it from side to side. Positive side of this product. The Velcro strap is comfortable and seems to provide great protection. Terry cloth thumb might make wiping sweat away easier. Cool-looking mesh design on the back makes them breathable. Negative side of this product. The stitching might not hold up to constant and intense powerlifting. Number 3. Elite Leather Gym Gloves. These wrist wrap lifting gloves seem to have the longest straps that may maximize wrist support. With durable leather, you should find that these will last even under professional level powerlifting. One of my clients had struggled with many different weightlifting gloves, and these were the only ones that seemed to stop the calluses. Positive side of this product. Heavy-duty design aimed at powerlifting. Includes 25-inch wrist straps for better support. Lots of positive comments that they stop blisters forming. Negative side of this product. They tend to have a strong leather smell when you first open the box. Number 4. Tried your padded weightlifting gym. Many athletes have commented that they gain a better grip without extreme pressure, resulting in blisters. Those might get sore, and they don't look great either. We also like the non-slip surface on the palm area, which may become important for intense workouts where sweat might drip onto the gloves. Positive side of this product. Well-designed gel padding seems to protect from calluses. The non-slip surface may help to gain a firmer grip. The mesh material makes them breathable for less sweating. Number 5. Glowfit Freedom Workout Gloves. Some people prefer a workout glove with an open back. It's an area that doesn't really require protection, which might significantly cool down your hands. Padded abrasion-resistant palm with silicate gel anti-slip points for enhanced comfort, grip, and durability. Enhanced protection against training abrasions such as calluses and blisters. Experience ultimate protection and comfort with the Glowfit Freedom Workout Gloves. Positive side of this product. Open back design may provide more breathability. Strapless exercise gloves make them more suitable for wearing a fitness tracker. People like the gel padding for better palm protection. Negative side of this product. The sizing runs a bit small. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.